Welcome to a box break by TradeCardsNow.com, sponsored by Topps. Today we are doing a mini box of Triple Threads Baseball 2010. If you haven't been over to Topps.com, make sure to head on over there. Get product info, checklists, everything like that. If you're not a member of TradeCardsNow.com, make sure to come on over and check us out. So here we go. Hope for some good mojo here. Okay, we've got Posada on the back. This is numbered to 99. Got Verlander numbered to 525. Warren Spahn, red. These are the normal base, numbered to 1350. Chipper Jones, Todd Helton, and we have something numbered 9 of 9. We've got a triple with Ty Cobb, Triple Tigers. Awesome looking card. Put that number. Looks like 2 pieces of bat. Again, numbered 9 of 9. That may end up going on eBay to help pay for some of these cards that are shipped out. If you don't know yet, we do a raffle over on Trade Cards Now. So all you have to do is make a few posts on our boards, come talk about your team, post your trade list, stuff like that. And then you can go enter our raffle, which is for totally free cards. We usually do 1 raffle per week. So you don't have to pay for shipping or anything. So make sure to come over to TradeCardsNow.com. And as always, thank you, Topps. Make sure to hit Topps.com.